Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security Disability attorney. And the question I'd like to answer today is, can my spouse, can my friend, can my relative, can somebody else go with me into my disability hearing? And the answer to that is generally no. Social Security disability hearings are in small rooms, and most of the time the judge is going to only want to hear from you. Some judges don't have a problem with somebody being there for moral support, but a lot of judges take the position that they'd rather just hear from you for the reason that sometimes the person there, you may be inclined to look at that person and try to get help answering a question, or that person may speak up, and judges don't like that. In addition, if that other person might be there to testify and they're in the room with you, then they would not be a sequestered witness. They could not then testify. So the judge may decide he needs additional evidence, but the person who might be in the best position to give that evidence, your spouse or your child or your sister or your best friend, is not going to be eligible to testify, or there would be a problem with that. So as a rule, I tell my clients, when you go to the hearing, it's going to be you and me, the judge's hearing assistant, and the vocational witness, and that's it. And it's not really appropriate to have somebody there for moral support. So big picture is, don't assume you're going to be able to have somebody in there with you. These are not public hearings, not like it's in state court where you can walk in and out, you could observe. These are closed hearings, and that there's no, the general public's not invited, and as a general rule, you're not really going to be allowed to have somebody there for moral support. So this is something, when you prepare your case, you need to be prepared to do it on your own. If there's a compelling reason that you've got to have somebody there, then talk to your attorney about it, and we can certainly talk to the judge and see if there's an exception. We can get an exception made, but generally you're not going to be able to have somebody there with you. So I hope this has been helpful. If you like this and you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube or a like on Facebook, and subscribe to our channels. And if I can answer any questions for you, or if you have any suggestions about future topics, please reach out to me and let me know that.